Hi guys, this is Mukthar Jahangir. I'm the founder and creative director of One and Only Advertising, which is a branding, marketing, media and events agency, and also we specialize in startup consultancy. I'm very passionate about working in the startup ecosystem and nurturing, helping, supporting young entrepreneurs, which is why we've launched Unipreneur Inc. Unipreneur Inc. is a first of its kind incubation platform exclusively for university students. Yes, you have a lot of startup initiatives, incubators, accelerators that focus on early stage startups or growth stage startups or budding startups. We want to build a platform that focuses exclusively on university students. So we have a year-long program designed for university students where we will take them through a series of networking events, workshops, corporate challenges, government challenges, mentoring sessions, pitching sessions, sports activities, and end the year with a bang with a 2-day annual conference focused only on entrepreneurship, innovation, and leadership for university students. To know more about this amazing initiative, visit unipreneurinc.com, where you'll get contact details to get in touch with us. If you are a university student, a mentor, you're an incubator, wants to be part of this unique initiative, get in touch right away. It's time we revolutionize the university ecosystem and create the next generation of Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, Elon Musks, and the likes. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Alia Ahmed, co-founder of finllect, and we're here to change personal finance. We are a gamified personal finance app that helps users ages 15-25 years old, youth and the Gen Z, to help manage their money better. How? They can get personalized content and advice based on their saving and spending behavior. They're able to track and budget in one app, and they win rewards, and they can reflect on their progress at the same platform. We right now have 3,500 students join in our family, and we're trying to expand that number and have more people in our family who are driven to make a change and be financially independent. We've collaborated with Unipreneur, where it's a platform that helps with mentorship and helps in bringing entrepreneurs and their ideas out to the world. So join us in our mission.
I'm Saravanan Sundaramurthy. I'm a technology architect and the CEO and founder of this RoboChef. RoboChef is the world's first and the only fully automated robotic kitchen. When we say fully automated robotic kitchen, we automate the whole process, right from chopping the vegetables to cooking any of the 600 recipes that we support and serving onto the table. So all these operations are totally automated, powered by artificial intelligence, robotics and IoT. The biggest advantage that we get as part of RoboChef is, one thing is cutting down the manual effort. The other one is the speed. The most important one is the consistency of the recipe. So no matter what might be the actual recipe, if you actually see a chain of restaurants or any other places, the consistency of any recipe might not be the same. But since RoboChef cooks it with high precision, 0.01 milligram level precision, and we always have a temperature control system, it can actually repeat the same recipe, whether it is for one single person or 100 people or 1,000 people, the taste of the recipe remains to be the same. And in addition to that, we have the safest kitchen, and we have saved almost 18,000 liters of water over the last 5 months of operations. Because of this, we have a huge benefit in terms of the environmental impact, as well as we have the best of induction based heating, so we don't use gas, so zero CO2 emission, and these are all the advantages. And over the last 6 months we are operational in India, and we are able to actually serve right now 3,000 meals every single day. The best part is we don't have a chef, so that's the biggest advantage, and RoboChef automates the whole process. So because of this automation, you can better focus on customer experience, and you can see it as an operation where you can actually leverage your manual effort and automate the whole operations for cooking. We are here in GITEX Future Stars to reach out for investment and global expansion in different regions beyond India.
Hi, my name is Adil and I'm from visitdesk. Visitdesk is a smart visitor management system. Visitdesk helps you to convert your traditional method of writing the visitor information in paper and pen to a digital world. So it has many features like user face recognition and other things. Your traditional method has multiple drawbacks, the we don't verify the user. The visitor information is given in a free of charge, so the person who comes next to it has an access to it. But when using VisitDesk, we solve all this problem. So even your receptionist don't need to call you and say so and so person came to meet you for so and so purpose. We send all this information to you in mobile application, email as well. So VisitDesk is connected with all your existing applications and hardwares. So nowhere you are going to get a new hardware system to use this product. So VisitDesk is for smart and secure, and it's one of the best example for the smart cities to be used from paper to paperless. So the visitor badges are sent to the visitor in an email, and it's as simple as like airport check-in. When you have a visitor ID, invite ID, you can just go to the office, you can go to the invited section and make your check-in. It's as simple as that. You can just try our product at visitdesk.io. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Najib bin Hanif. I am coming from India. As a collaborative with Kerala Startup Mission, we are introducing our new product, b-lite spirulina cookies. It's amazing nutritional facts. It provides composed of marine algae and spirulina. So marine algae is found in the seaweeds, which has to be high amazing nutritional facts. These facts has to be creates an amazing perfect diet, which contains a demerara like sugar, which has a diabetes free, and we are not using as maida or other unhealthy ingredients. We are using as superfoods like ragi, oats, quinoa like ingredients, and we are not used as a white sugar, and we are composed of single cell proteins of spirulina. These types of algae gives an instant energy booster and gives a high immunity power, and high dietary fiber and protein provides a perfect diet to a person, which 2 to 3 cookies completely replaces a complete meal. So it gives immense pleasure to say that it has to be weight loss, helps in weight loss and a perfect diet. So for men it has to be a high dietary fiber and protein for the muscle development. Athletes, it's more suitable for that. For women it has to be for high calcium and high protein and iron content. So it provides healthy for the pregnant ladies and for common people, so common women. For children it helps for the brain high brain development as well. So it provides all essential nutrients are composed of these cookies, and it gives a immense pleasure to introduce in GCC countries. So we are introducing in after 2 to 3 months we are exporting to UAE, and now I am here for implementing this manufacturing seeking investors for implementing this algal-based plan, food production plan for implementing in GCC countries. Thank you.
We are a startup company called Bridge for logistics and freight forwarding. We start this idea because there are a lot of startups, SMEs, who are looking for softwares trying to solve their documentation and paperwork. And in the current market, softwares are very expensive. Logistics software are very, very expensive. To solve this problem, we made very user-friendly and economical software, which everyone can afford it, which every logistic company can afford it. So with this software, what is special is that every logistic companies, if there are 2 logistic companies are operating together to execute a job, the data saved in one logistic company can be easily transferred to other companies, saving a lot of data entry process, making it easily visible. Like whatever entered in one company can be easily viewed in another company, and they can execute it easily instead of filling it again and again and again. This will make a lot of data saving of data duplication, workforce, and they can use less staffs to execute the business. Not only that, since it's an ERP solution, SaaS-based system, there is no need of purchasing PCs or servers. It will be installed in seconds, and they can use on the go. And this is a process-based software, process-based on logistics. You don't need to learn how to use the system or how to do logistics. Everything is ready-made here. You just need to start with the software. The new project to connect multiple software companies to operate as a single collaborative structure. We are looking for investors to help us expand the project, and as well as new companies can come up, approach us to do the business with us.